How to fix profile view option not showing on TikTok. So there is a new update on TikTok where you can now see who viewed your TikTok if you turn on a setting. Now the setting will be usually visible on the settings page and on privacy. Here if you scroll down you can see an option of profile views. If this is turned on, then you should be able to see who viewed your profile. Now if you don't see this option, you can try to update the app of TikTok. Open up the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and search for TikTok. Since this is a new feature, you can try to update the app of TikTok and check if you get that option. The next thing you can do is tap and hold the app of TikTok and head over to app info. From the settings of TikTok, you can tap on app permissions and make sure that the location permission is set to allow. What this will do is it will allow TikTok to use your location, so this way it can apply all of the new features that it has released. The last thing you can do is you can clear the cache of TikTok, or if you're on an iPhone you can offload it. Tap on clear data and clear cache. Again tap on clear data and clear all the data. Now after you do the few things, you should be able to get the option of profile view on TikTok. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.